Their own report card is that they can show is that they have been killing a lot of people in Nigeria. That is the report card they have. That somebody died yesterday, that Gulag died the other day, that 200 people were kidnapped in Nigeria the other day, 500 were kidnapped in San Francisco the other day. That is the report card people will show to us. Will you allow that kind of report card again? Will you allow that kind of report card again? Anybody who brings report card about death of people, we can never accept that kind of report card again. Never again will Nigeria accept that kind of report card again. Are we going to accept it again? So those who want report card of that people are dying everywhere, keep it. We don't want it. We want the report card of development. We want the report card of dividend of democracy. We want the report card of infrastructure. We want the report card to see what we've done in education. We want the report card to see what we've done in health sector. We want the report card to see what we've done in our roads.